They rain, but they still out there. You never forget, you know. Long time with you.
Yeah.
Mr. Glenn, how you doing?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, man. Why I think I look good for the men. Finally, the men get something. Finally.
All right, then, neighbor.
Finally, they get something. And they ever love football. Everything they have. Finally, and they're cheap. Why? Finally, they got something for the guys there, Mr. Artist. Man. Wow. Always for the ladies. Guys, we got something now. Yeah, right here around my short. You see the same spot. Make sure to come out and support the thing. Right now. See? Come out around my short. From Ecumenical Drive. Right there from St. Vincent Street. You can see a Tandasha tree. Full. But look at this. Cheap. Is that earring too?
Yeah,
Men ear dollar earring.
I got $10.
$10 for them one really heavy, yeah.
Right,
Why? Look here, they are clean too. Air Force Ones. Wow. If you fit me, I may bite. Look here. My goodness. Back and body for man. Look here. My goodness. Well, gentlemen, we will see if the ladies are come by where we deserve to, cause the last time we come around, then we come with a lot of female things. Now, is there a take your time out now? Make it nice it up for it.
Jersey shirt and pants.
Jersey shirt and pants, but I mean, stop the hand right now. Why?
$50
Argentina will play today.
Sure.
Yeah, today, this team they're playing today. So you bring it up right time for someone else. $50 for the whole suit.
Yeah.
Now, man, $50 for just the shirt.
$25.
You can't beat their prices, yeah. Wow. Ladies, this is what the man like. You don't have to go far. The men like these. Right, look. I like this size. I think they're like, what size they have, I think?
10.
12. Why? I got it too, you know, but
Put up 12, yeah, no, 10.
10. Everything is fresh. So that time whereby the sun come out nice and neat now. The sun just come out. Look here. There are some special sale we need to know about. Special sale. Finally the men get something. Finally think about the men. Huh? Even the one I'm going to think about. Is there a thing to giveaway shirt? Guys, I'll have for them make on the way over here, so. $1 for a shirt. See the sale and cheap sale. Make sure to come out and get that thing here. Even the chic here. Oh. God. Father's Day on the boring. When are we? Nothing for you, no? With Dorothy now, she threw everything with her for the females. Morning. I know, even Michael Jackson pants here, guys. See that? See the glitters there, guys? See the glitters there? Alright, yes. She said she got size 12, but I got 12 size 12. All the sizes there, just come through. What are they chase now?
Why you do that? Why do you have to police chase like that?
Oh man. We hardly police chase man for Father's Day, man. Now what is? Father. But guys, come on out. I serious, right? They are a lone man thing. It's not often that they will get a main thing. See? Wash up and soap, Dove soap. Everything here still. Where is that? They hook it up for now. Ladies, please come and get on a man something, man. He gone all out for the last time when I'm there. He gone all out.
If they combine today, they have discount today.
Discount today and tomorrow, Dorothy. You can't shorten it. You don't say today. Today and tomorrow. You can't shorten it, right, yo?
Yeah, never. Once I come out, Dorothy, they get a great deal.
Correct, the deal, yeah. Look at oil of Olay. Right? Another coconut algae, you got the oil of Olay.
They can't get it better than that.
Okay, see there? See there? You think I lie? See there? And then you have dollar earring by the side because they're not a female there. What you got to know. I want cracks there. Look at the size this crack. It's a medium 13 cracks. It's light and it's comfortable. You can breathe on the side. Right? They chase somebody, but they're not catching the kind of police take off slow. What? They got a hat there too? A Mexican hat, guys? A Mexican hat there? Yeah, so you hear it here first. You hear it. As you reach, the sun come out. Oh, it's a nice material too. Wow, look here. Why? It smells like taste of that, that's how we know. Look at it, guys. Ladies, and I'll show this again. This will be the only time I'm going to show this. These are dollar shirts. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Everything must go. Yeah, bath and body. $25 and then fresh one out.
$15.
World Cup they on. 15 cents for the slippers there. How for the shoes there? Different prices. $50. Right? That Nike and name brand thing. Comfortable. See the valise there, guys? See there? See the valise? I can see everything. Yeah? The valise is out. Alright. Make sure to support the thing. Everything there for all the guys. If you want to smell fresh, it is. If you want to look good, it is. Why? Okay, so she make it her business to make sure that the guys get treated well. Okay, so our sooner, make sure to come out, support the thing. It's cheap. Now World Cup time right now, and all the jerseys are here for cheap. Argentina is playing today, Algeria is playing today, so I got good teams playing today in the World Cup. So, ayo.